Hello everyone, I am Cyril. Welcome to my channel. So today I have a delivery from Soul Search India. They are another resellers based in India. They are one of the big companies, so I ordered from them. What I have ordered is, I'll just show you the box once. So this is the box that it came in. As you can see, they use a very simple box, unlike the other boxes that I got. So I have orders from Main Street and all, so that came in their customized box, but I do not have any complaints about how it was packaged. It came in a very good condition, considering it was raining very heavily in Bombay, because they are based in Bombay first of all. So that time when I ordered, it was raining very heavily, but they came through. The packaging was very good that I received. The packaging was in a very good condition, so I do not have any complaints about that. Now moving on to what I have ordered. So this is the Air Jordan 1 PSG collaboration, and it's the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Comfort. So let's unbox this. So I have already opened this box. The tape is already removed, so I don't need the knife here. Okay, so it came wrapped in the bubble paper, as you can see. So nothing else was inside this box. It was delivered just like that. So it took them about 1.5 weeks to get this delivered. Like I said, it was raining very heavily, so there were some logistic problems that they faced, but whatever it was, it took about 2 weeks, to 1.5 to 2 weeks. I ordered it through their app, not the website. It was a bit glitchy, but I was able to place the order. And one thing I'll mention about Soul Search India is that they have a very good communication setup. Whatever they have, like their WhatsApp number, they are always responding. I have no complaints about that side. So now let's move on to the unboxing. So this is the box, as you can see. I'm so sorry about the cold. So this is the box from all sides. They used a classic cardboard design, and this is the classic Jordan 1 high box, this one. So that's what it is like. So that's what it came in. I'll just show you the label. So I hope you can see the label. Yeah. So now let's open it. Okay, so inside they have this is a card that they gave, and on the back side they have this. I think they wrote my name properly. Yes, they wrote my name properly. So this is what they gave. It's a nice addition, and there's nothing else. It's the classic unboxing. So it comes with this. The box was wrapped, the shoes were wrapped with this piece of paper. It actually has all the specifications of the Zoom, how it's different from the OGs. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. So this is what the paper has. Just a few descriptions about it. So basically the major difference between the Zoom Comfort and the OGs are that they try to make it more comfortable. So that's the basic difference. Besides, everything is the same. So I'll open them. So this is the pair. And so this is the pair. Actually, I really like purple, so this was when it came out. I instantly loved them, but at that time I didn't know that such resellers existed in India. but slowly I came to know about them, and then I saw this was available and my size was there at a very reasonable price, I believe, for compared to what it's going for. So then I placed the order with them. I wasn't sure if it would be legit, but it actually, the process is you order, the seller ships it, the seller ships it to Soul Search, and then they send it to you. So there's an authentication process, and uh, the guy who I was talking to, like I said, on WhatsApp, he was always responding. So I kept on asking him so many times that, have you all received the shoe? How is it? Is it authentic or not? Because I was worried, because UK 7 was only one quantity available. So finally he replied that yeah, the pair finally arrived, because it was raining, and they checked it and it was fine. I also did a legit check on um, the check app, so they also found it to be authentic. So let's move on to the shoe now. Okay, so they have, they didn't come laced. I actually laced it to try it on. So it comes with the black laces, and additionally they give you these pink and purple laces. And it has Zoom Air written on it, on the tongue, where it usually says Nike Air. So that's one more different thing. And besides that, the sole is another thing. Usually the sole is a single thing, but over here you can see there's a black border, and the inside is also different, and the material also that they use, it's a bit different. So but the sole is really nice to look at. See, it's again purple, like I said. I really like this color combination, so I didn't buy this to resell. I just bought it because I love it so much. I'll be wearing it definitely. And another detail is that the swoosh, actually it's 3M radium or whatever you all call it, it's reflective, and it's not really stitched on it. Actually the white part, the white portion, is cut out in such a way that the Nike symbol shows through, and it's in that material. So that's a very unique thing, and it's also a design thing about Zoom pairs. So yeah, I'll be using the black laces for now. I don't know about the pink or purple right now, so let's see, we'll see. And inside it came with paper. I'm not sure why. Inside the shoe, it's there, the sole has their Paris, what do you call it, the quote, that is, I'm not sure I'll be able to pronounce it, so I don't want to butcher it by saying it. So that's it, it's inside, and the sole is also this same color. I don't want to take it out because last time I took it out it was a mess inside, because it's got glue on the other side, so I don't want to take it out again. But on the back side, I really like this part. It's that holographic pearlescent material, and in that they made that logo. And the laces also have this detail on it. It says Paris on it. I hope you can see all of it because the camera is a bit far from me. So, and I really like this silhouette. So when they had this collaboration and this colorway was there, I knew someday I'll get it. That time I didn't have money or the knowledge that they have these resellers in India, but now I finally got this pair, finally, after it was in 2021 that they released it, and it's 2023, but at least I have it now. So that's about it about the shoe. I'll give you an on-feet look also, how it looks when you're wearing it. So, and the inside tongue is also cushioned, and these are some things that are different in the Zoom pair compared to the original, so that I just thought that I'll mention that. And this part is sponge, but it's exposed like I hope you can see it. So it's exposed. I don't know how it'll remain after I'll be wearing it. Let's hope it doesn't get spoiled soon. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll be sharing the on-feet review.
Up my appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine. Whip up my appetite, don't leave me here